Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the 2023 Aprilia Tuono V4. This Italian masterpiece is known for its exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this bike so special. Starting with the exterior design, the 2023 Aprilia Tuono V4 maintains its distinctive aggressive and muscular look. The sharp lines, the twin headlamp setup, and the iconic beak at the front give it a unique and unmistakable appearance. The bike's aerodynamic design not only enhances its aesthetics but also improves its performance. The Tuono V4 features all the characteristics you would expect of a sporty road bike, making it perfect for short trips and long adventures, and the Tuono V4 a hot contender on the naked bike market at the moment. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2023 Tuono V4 is powered by a 1,077 cubic centimeters V4 engine that produces an impressive amount of power and torque. With around 175 horsepower and 90 lb-ft of torque, this bike is an absolute rocket on two wheels. It features an advanced electronics package that includes multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and more, giving you full control over the power delivery. To complement its powerful engine, the Tuono V4 features a high-quality chassis and suspension setup. The frame is constructed from lightweight materials, offering excellent stability and handling. The suspension components, including the front USD fork and rear monoshock, are fully adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the bike to your riding preferences. One of the standout features of the 2023 Tuono V4 is its advanced electronics suite. It comes equipped with the color 5-inch TFT instrument panel, makes information easy to read, whatever the time of day or night, and is a breeze to activate and manage via intuitive buttons. The bike also features cornering ABS, quick shifter, and an up/down blipper, enhancing both safety and performance. The Tuono V4 is no slouch either in the speed department, but with new ergonomics and specially designed accessories, it is the perfect companion for touring and adventures near and far. In conclusion, the 2023 Aprilia Tuono V4 is a superbike that offers an incredible blend of power, performance, and style. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to step up their riding game, this motorcycle is a fantastic choice. It's a true work of art on two wheels, and it's ready to take on any road or track you throw at it. Thanks for joining me in this review, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, everyone!